Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Nissan Frontier SV Midnight Edition. Comes equipped with a 4-liter V6 engine paired to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, spray and bed liner, as well as side steps, Firestone tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. Gonna have this gray interior paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom here, speakers right there. Of course, you got the power windows, locks, and mirrors. The side there with chrome accent handle. You also got these black tubular running boards here as well. Onto the seats, you got these manually adjustable heated cloth seats. Very nice. And left side, you're gonna have your power mirrors with your hill descent control and cargo lamp. Left side will be your voice recognition and volume, and the right side will be your cruise control. And onto the infotainment. So you got the touchscreen here. You can access all your media through audio, auxiliary CD, as well as USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Just pretty straightforward. Here you got the climate controls, again, straightforward. The heated mirrors as well. Of course, you got the 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as your heated seats, park assist. You got two 12-volt DC ports with USB and auxiliary right next to it. Some extra storage, of course, and handbrake with center console storage and another 12-volt. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. You got the double glove box as well. And up here you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder. In the back there you got a manual rear sliding window. So you got these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Firestone Winter Force 2 tires. You got the paint match mirror caps and then the black door handles as well. To the back, you got the park assist. Again, you got that black badging with the midnight as well. Trailer hitch on the bottom. And you got the spray-on bed liner with the sliders as well. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling storage next to the speaker, chrome accent, power window. Back, you're gonna have storage behind the driver's seat. You got the cup holders as well. Hit the toggle, seats fold out for more storage, with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2018 Nissan Frontier SV Midnight Edition, equipped with the 4-liter V6 engine, as well as heated bucket seats, cruise control, Firestone tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.